A challenge we occasionally see is related to the pull-out or pull-down spray kitchen faucets. Sometimes a leak under the kitchen sink is at the connection of the spray head to the hose, which has come loose. Andy is going to share with you how to correct this, as well as a couple other facts about these types of faucets.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another do-it-yourself video with At Your Service Plumbing. I'm Andy. Today I want to show you how to correct a couple of issues that may arise with these particular style of faucets. These pull-out spray faucets. They have the hand unit and the hose attachment. They're meant to retract in and out. One problem that I have a lot, I get calls of water showing up underneath the sink. This connection can leak. This connection can get loose all by itself. Just make sure it stays nice and tight and screwed onto the hand unit. In its cradled position, you turn it on to use it under normal use, it will leak. If that connection is loose, I get many calls. Very easy to fix, just keep that tightened up. Another thing I want to show you that can be an issue with this style of faucet. You have a lot of tubing underneath your sink, a lot of plumbing underneath your sink where it has a tendency to foul up. And so what I like to do, when you retract this faucet in and out, that hose moves up and down and can get hung up on that plumbing underneath. Simply take standard zip tie, help direct this tubing away from the obstruction.
I trust the information in this video was helpful for you. If you find at any time you either don't have the right tools, you don't want to make trips back and forth to the hardware store, or you just don't want to spend your valuable time doing this task, please give At Your Service Plumbing a call and ask to schedule your own personal plumbing professional to come and assist you. Our client care representatives would be happy to provide you a 2-hour arrival window, which works for you. If you have other plumbing issues, we offer several videos in this Do-It-Yourself series. Please comment suggestions for future videos, and we thank you for joining us.